Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited, and in this video we will learn one awesome trick regarding creating a dynamic chart that can be useful when you create Excel dashboards. That will include a column chart, a scroll bar, and an index and match function, and we will have an idea and concept that how we can utilize these awesome techniques for the dashboard. So let's get started. I have a data, and I have created a data which is not on a real-time basis, but just for giving you a concept that it could be, in your case, for example, here I have the years. In your case it could be months or any other attribute, and I have took an example of 5 different countries. So we have a data, for example, country wise and year wise, and we want to create a dynamic chart for our Excel dashboard. So how we can do that? So let's get started. I am doing the all workings in a similar sheet, but when you create dashboard, remember that you have to follow the MVC rule that states that model, view, and controller. So whenever you create Excel dashboards, your data, your raw data should be in a separate sheet. Your extra workings or formulas and functions which you use for analytical purpose to get or fetch the numbers from the data should be in a separate sheet, and your ultimate end result or the visualizations and interactivity objects should be in a separate sheet, which is called the dashboard. So you have to consider the MVC, but for this video I have put the data, workings, and my chart in a similar kind of a sheet so that you can understand that. So now let me first bring the name, the first column, which are the name of the country. So I'm just using a simple very simple short formula, that is equals to A2. So definitely whatever will be in A2 will appear in M2, and I will just copy and paste downwards this small formula. So I have just copied all the countries' name to the column M. Instead I can also use Control C and Control V here, but later on, for example, if there is any changes in the data, definitely it will automatically change in the working. So I have referred a relative reference here instead of copy and paste. Now for the years, what we're gonna do is we will fetch these numbers with the help of index and match function, because the dynamic chart which we will be creating here, that would show the visualization on the column chart year wise. So that particular year will come, not all the years will come together. So for doing that, let's go to the developer tab. I will click on insert tab, and here in the form controls you will find a very small icon in the second row which is called scroll bar. So click on a scroll bar and draw it on your spreadsheet wherever you want. So in my example I am just putting it here, and you need to do some customizations for this scroll bar in order to run it correctly. So for doing that, we have to go to format control. So you have to right click on this particular object, and in this contextual menu click on format control. On the control tab you are required to change some of the fields here. So for the minimum value, I will write 2010 here, because my data is starting from 2010. I want to generate a value from 2010, and the maximum value would be 2019. So my scroll bar will be split like into 9 different sections starting from 2010 and 2019 whenever I click on right arrow or left arrow, and the page change will be 1, increment of 1 definitely, and we are required to link this cell with a spreadsheet in order to work. So I will click on cell link, and then I will link this object with a cell in my scenario, that is N2, and I will press OK. So whenever I press this scroll bar right arrow, the scroll bar is working, and you can see the change here. The is working from 2010 till 2019, right? And on this basis I will apply here in the second column, which is N column, index and match function. That would be dynamic, and I will put that data, that specific 2 columns data, into the column chart, and that will show us the picture of dynamic chart. So let me just start. I hope that you have already used index and match function. So very quickly I will be using index and match. So index first, our function argument is the array, which are the numbers available in your data set. I will make it absolute by pressing F4 key, and then we know that we have a two-dimensional data. We need to use two match functions, one for the raw number and one for the column number, because countries are set as a row wise and the years are set as a column wise, so we need to match and fetch that number from the data. So I will be using match function in the raw number function argument of the index. I have put the country name here. So I have put the country name which is in available in M3, comma, then lookup array would be the list of the countries which is available in the data set. I will press F4 key to make it absolute. Remember that instead of making absolute cell references, you can do some extra working, like you can create a name ranges for those lists, so it would be easy to recall it in other functions as well for the Excel dashboards. But for this specific video, I am just quickly selecting the ranges. Okay, so for 0 for the exact match. Now after completing this raw number, I will put another match function so that the column number should match for the years. So the year is available in the cell N2, and that year will change when I will definitely click on my scroll bar. So I will make this cell absolute so that it should work correctly. The lookup array for the years will be raw number 2. That is the data set of the raws information. I will make this range absolute and 0 for the exact match. So I will copy and paste downwards this function, and as you can see that whenever I change the scroll bar, the year is changing in the column N, and definitely it fetches that particular year numbers from the data set. Now what we are required to do is the last step is to create a chart, column chart or a bar chart as per your requirement. So I will select two columns which have country names and the relevant amounts to those countries. So I will go to insert tab and I will click on the appropriate chart which is required here. So now I have inserted a column chart, as you can see, and I will just make these objects rightly aligned so that you can see the difference. So now what is happening here is whenever I click on the scroll bar, as you can see that the index and match function is getting that particular year number from the data set, and definitely we have created a chart for this dynamic change of data. So we have created very easily year wise column chart with the help of a scroll bar, and that can be used in the dashboard as well. Last but not the least, we need to make our chart title dynamic. So for example, we will use one extra cell in the spreadsheet, and let's say these are the numbers of the sales. So sales for the year, and I have put it in inverted comma because this will be the fix, and I will use ampersand sign, and I will select a cell which is N2, which represent the year. So the whole sentence is like sales for the year 2013, and I will click on chart title. I will go to formula tab and press the equal sign, and I will click on P2 where I have created the dynamic title. So now whenever I will click on the scroll bar, that particular year is changing, and you can see the title is now dynamic, sales for the year 2015 country wise. And that's how we can use these kind of dynamic charts in our Excel dashboards.